Here at Shahnaz Salon on June 22nd, 2011 with Miss Sonia. She is the owner of the place. Hi Sonia.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Thank you. Thank you for agreeing for this video shot. So we actually ran a promotion deal for Shahnaz Salon a couple of weeks back, and this video actually talks about how Sonia's experiences were with Desi Sauda. So this is a promotional shoot. Just wanted to show how Desi Sauda works with its partners in order to promote them. And again, Sonia, thank you for agreeing for this video shot. First question, how did you hear about Desi Sauda?
Very first time Seshu came, and next time Sadaf came. Then again I recall, I feel okay, let me try. And I found out it's really good.
Okay. So how did Desi Sauda approach in terms of like working with you, coming up with a campaign and working throughout?
They keep coming and they explain us how it works, and they tell us at least try. And I tried. I find it's really good. We should go ahead and do again and again.
Thank you.
And Seshu itself is very nice person. Anybody work with Seshu, I think that they're very nice.
Thank you very much. And how was customer service in terms of?
Extremely good.
So you would recommend us to someone else?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. And any advice to other businesses in terms of who wants to promote their business through Desi Sauda?
They should go ahead. It's really good.
Thank you very much, Sonia.
Yeah. And it will grow very fast. I can see that.
Thank you very much, Sonia.
Bye.